shootout by the Karnataka Forest Department has triggered a major row between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu once again. 3 Tamilians, suspected to be poachers, were shot dead in an exchange of fire with Forest Department personnel in Karnataka's Chamrajanagar district early on Saturday. The Forest Department has claimed the alleged poachers who were killed in the Kaveri Wildlife Reserve were carrying deer meat, but their families have said that they had only gone there to graze cattle. The killings have drawn sharp criticism from Tamil Nadu. Chief Minister Vijay has strongly condemned the killings, calling it a brutal massacre. Vijay said that the Forest Department's explanation was unacceptable and demanded an honest probe, including a high-level committee. DMK Chief M.K. Stalin has also hit out at the Karnataka government, calling the deaths unjust and brutal. Stalin has demanded the TVK government to take up the matter with Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar. Meanwhile, D.K. Shivakumar has ordered a magisterial inquiry, saying that the facts will come out. He has added that documents and guns have been seized while the bodies are being examined, but the BJP has questioned the need for the encounter and demanded a judicial inquiry, asking why the Forest Department could not have shot at the men's legs instead. Karnataka leader of opposition R. Ashoka has called for action against officials found responsible.
ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ತಲುಪಿದೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಾಸ್ತವಾಂಶ ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ. ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಘಟನೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಕೆಲವೆಲ್ಲ ದಾಖಲೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದೂಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಸಾಗಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾವೊಪ್ಪಿದೆ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಒಂದು ಶರೀರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅವರು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ವಿಚಾರ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಜನತೆ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಸೆಳೀತಾರೆ.
I demand what is the necessity of 3 encounters? It is a right or wrong? People says it is a wrong. Forest Department says it is right. But real truth have to come out. Because the body where the shootout happened, immediately they taken the body into the hospital. Why you taken the body into the hospital? First, police have to come, police have to mahajar, then they hospitalize for the postmortem. Without information for the police department, why you taken to hospital?
It is so very unfortunate that the people who are living on the edge of the forest, a lot of their livelihood depends on the forest also. So, just because they have entered the forest, it is not necessary to shoot them and shoot them at the very close range. It is at the outset it looks like a very cold-blooded murder. Therefore, it is unbecoming of the forest officers to take law into their hand. And killing people is not done. It is not in our law or in constitution.